The easiest way to start serging is to just put the fabric right up to the front of the foot. You'll notice that when you step on the foot control, the feed dogs are so far in front, it will just bring the fabric in through the serger. That is how easy it is. And then when you're done, if you gently run a little extra thread long enough to go underneath the foot, step on the foot control once again, it'll cut it off for you, and you don't have to lift and lower the presser foot. Now, sometimes when things are a little bit thick, you might see me actually take my thumb, lift up the foot just a little bit and slide the bulk of the beginning of the fabric underneath the foot, just so it gets in a little bit. Of course, because the lifter is so convenient, you could do that with your right hand as well. But since I usually have my hands just close by just giving it a little lift and putting it in, it'll take it and keep things going, keeping all your projects going super fast on the serger, because on a sewing machine, you gotta always lift and lower the presser foot. And just another tip, I always recommend that you avoid doing too much lifting, because all it takes is one time that you forget to put it down and it just doesn't stitch the way you would expect it to.